Hello everyone. So we are on our way to Lapland, or Finish Lapland.
We are in Gatwick at the moment, and just behind us is this lovely selfie Instagram thing that Gatwick have put together. So we thought we would just do a quick piece to camera from here.
So it's about 24 hours to get up to Lapland, starting in the UK. So we're going to get the Norwegian flight to Helsinki, and then we've got a 12-hour train up to Rovaniemi in Lapland. So trains, planes and automobiles to get there. It's a DIY tour, and it's a bit cheaper to do it this way than do, you know, a Thomas Cook or a TUI.
It felt like more of an adventure because obviously we're kind of both flying into Helsinki and then doing what is basically known as the Santa train up to Rovaniemi. It just felt like it was more of an adventure, more of a journey for the kids. So it was a bit more involved, but you know, it felt like it could be more fun. Hopefully we should be getting ready to go and board in about 10 or 15 minutes or so.
Yep, so come and join us on our magical Lapland tour.
We are boarding the plane. We're coming down the ramp to get on now, which is really exciting. And it's actually quite a bit fresher out here, which is great because it's been super hot in the airport, especially with this big cake. So yeah, we'll see you when we get there.
Arrived in Helsinki. We've just got off the plane. It was about a 2.5 hour flight. We're going to go and grab our bags now, go through passport control. We've got a few hours before we get our train to Rovaniemi, so we're probably going to do a bit of a tour of the city. Thankfully, Marcia's got a friend that lives in the city, so she's going to show us some sights for a few hours, and then it's off to get the Santa Express. Just having a bit of a guided tour around Helsinki before we get our train this evening to Rovaniemi. Beautiful, really, really lovely. It's bitter though, it's like -14, really, really cold. We are at the train station in Helsinki. It's the central station. It's the central station within the city. Sorry, it's quite late. It's like 10:15. Our train leaves at 11:15. We're all really tired. We had a lovely walk around Helsinki. Beautiful city in the winter. Absolutely stunning. Some really lovely lights. The train station's nice. There's not many places to sit and eat with the kids. There's a lot of kind of bar stall type areas if you want to grab a coffee, but there's not really a good seating area. So I would recommend, if you get here early, maybe see if there's a bag drop area and then just go and sit in a nice warm cafe. I think there's a couple opposite the station for half an hour and then come back through. It's really easy to find the platform. They're all right in front of the station. I'm going to turn the camera around now and show you. So Ivy's there modelling. So here's the platforms here. We are on platform 8 when our train arrives. Let's go through these double doors. Oh, that one. Well done, Ivy. And then we go, oh, it's chilly. So we want platform number 8, which is just here, Ivy. Should we show them?
Yeah.
The cold can half hit you when you come outside again. It's crazy. Yeah, so there we go. Our train is that one there, the 2313 to Rovaniemi. That's our night train we're getting on. And here are the platforms. So it's one of the main platform areas. We are just in that little area there at the moment. Karina and the kids and Marcia are having a sit down in the bottom of water, just chilling out. So we've ventured out. I've got Karina with me this time, not Ivy. We're going to see if there's somewhere to store bags in the train station, just in case you haven't got a lovely friend that happens to live in the city and is able to give you a guided tour like we were really fortunate to have earlier. There's hopefully a good bag drop.
And to be fair, we're considering actually using it on the way back because it would make sense to do that, because obviously our train's going to pull in to the station here. We've got a full day before we need to be at the airport, and we could then get the connecting train from here to the airport rather than using a taxi. So it would be more streamlined doing it that way. So we're thinking that it might be something that we want to take advantage of. So we're just going to go and see if we can figure out if there's a service and how it works. So
we're following a sign for, I can see a suitcase and a key above it. And it looks like, I'm guessing that's the finish sign for lockers.
Yeah.
We'll find out in a second.
Look at these big ones down the end.
So these are the lockers. Yeah, so €8. I guess it's for the day. So yeah.
So here we go. Operating instructions there. Maximum storage is 24 hours.
Yeah, fine. Okay. Cool. Yeah, that's quite big, isn't it?
Yeah. I mean, you could easily get 2 suitcases in there and then some bags on the top. So you probably would only need like maybe 2 of them.
I think you could get 2 in there.
No, but what I mean is like we've got 4 cases with mums, so if you had 2 lockers you'd get everything in.
Do you reckon?
Yeah, I think so.
I'm not convinced. I think we'll need at least 3. We'll do the test when we're on the way home, I guess. But yeah, these lockers.
That's a good shout.
Yeah, I think that's good. Cool. And they're €8 each. We've got smaller ones here for €4. Yeah, there we go. So you can store bags here for up to 24 hours and then go and explore the city and then come and grab your bags and head to the airport. So I hope that was useful. Yeah, see you when we get on the train. Hey, so the Santa Express has pulled up. Here we go.
Hi, we've made it on board!
So here are the rooms. Okay everyone, so we are finally on the train. Really, really easy process, really easy to find. The cabins are small, but they're really a great design. Sorry, I'm really tired. This probably isn't coming out very well. But yeah, really, really cool. We'll probably do a better tour tomorrow, maybe our next video, but I just wanted to give you a quick overview. So we've got double decker.
Hello, I'm in my PJs, sorry.
Bunny's up there. There's a really good little storage space for bags.
And they give you a free water bottle, so
yeah,
it's really
free
good.
water bottle. Got another storage for bags there.
If your water bottle's like empty, then it's really good to always fill it up.
Window there so you can see what's going on. That'll be interesting in the morning. And the toilet is just here. So there we have our toilet. And there is a shower. So the shower is, oh gosh, really good. So that pulls like that. And you've got your shower up there. See what that's like in the morning. But I think that'll do it for today. It's been a long travel day. I hope this video has been useful to anybody who's coming to Lapland to see Santa Claus. You don't have to do a tour with a big company. You can do it yourself and it's a proper adventure. But we're going to say goodnight now after our travel video, and we'll see you guys in our next video where we'll be arriving in Rovaniemi and doing the snowman park and going to see Santa Claus's village. So please like and subscribe.
Please like and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys again soon.
Bye.
Bye.